When you were a baby or something hiding in your skin?
They had a thing in the river where they were panning for gold.
Yeah, they do.
Oh yeah, like, yeah. She said that they
have pumps?
Yeah, they had like a little
Just in
thing
case you were
floating there, and I
wondering.
was like, what is that? I figured it was something for like, you know, some government agency trying to test the waters or something. She said they're trying to find gold.
Yeah, it's
That's
so
crazy.
real.
She's down.
Honey, if you take a picture of me, your camera will break, so don't. Honey, I already broke a chair, now I'm at 150. Okay. That'd be a good picture. He smells so good.
Yeah, he does.
No, you can't.
Not bad. You want to play again?
No. Look at Bailey with his tongue on the other side. No, don't get the ball. No. Bailey. No, Bailey. Get the ball. Yeah. Where'd you pass? Honey, that's a rock. Where'd you pass? Drop the ball.
That's it, drop it.
Drop it,
Good
yeah.
boy.
Who invented smash ball?
Hitting the chin.
That's because
I'm officially done when I hit myself in the chin.